Today I'm going to be reviewing KJMAQI's 4-piece new model no drill suction cup hook. I'd like to thank KJMAQI for sending this to me to review. Real easy to use. When you get it, you're going to see a box of 4 of these, and you're going to unscrew that top piece right there, push it through, and you're going to pull out the parts there. And you've got that back piece, which is a suction cup. You're going to put that onto the door. You're better off to wash that area, dry it, and then put it on, then seal it like that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put that other plastic piece onto the top of that. Real easy to use. You're going to put that metal piece on top, and then you are going to screw the actual hook part, and it's going to cause that to suction onto there. And I'm going to show you, it is pretty sturdy. Now we're going to just use it for a wreath. Just spin it on there. It's going to lock it tight onto the window now, creating the full suction that you need. And you can see you can pull on it. It's not going to just pop off, and perfect for a wreath. This is a #1 release on Amazon, and 400 plus of these were bought last month, November 2025. Really good. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you next time.